Welcome to today's video where we're diving into the best car wash brushes on the market. If you want to keep your car looking spotless and scratch-free, then you are in the right place. From soft bristles to ergonomic designs, we'll explore which brushes work best for various car surfaces and detailing needs. Get ready to discover the top tools for a professional-grade car wash at home. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more car care tips. At the first position of our list, we have discovered the ultimate car interior detailing brush that will transform your vehicle's interior cleaning routine. This high-quality brush features ultra-soft bristles designed to gently clean without scratching delicate surfaces. Ideal for dashboards, vents, seats, and other hard-to-reach areas, its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip for extended use. With durability in mind, this brush is built to last, featuring a robust handle and premium bristles that resist wear and tear. Whether you are dealing with dust, dirt and crumbs, the brush's flexible bristles effectively reach every nook and cranny, leaving your car's interior spotless. Not only does this brush deliver excellent performance, but it's also budget-friendly. You don't have to break the bank to achieve professional-grade results. It's a perfect addition to your car cleaning arsenal, whether you are a detailing enthusiast or just want to keep your car looking its best. Get yours today and experience the convenience and efficiency of a high-quality car interior detailing brush. At number 2, we have experienced a superior car cleaning solution with the Carrand Car Wash Deep Brush, designed to make washing your vehicle easier and more effective. This brush features a wide, soft bristle head that is perfect for scrubbing away dirt and grime without scratching your car's paintwork. The bristles are gentle enough for clear coats and polished finishes, yet tough enough to remove stubborn stains. The Carrand Car Wash Deep Brush has an extendable handle, allowing you to reach high and low spots with ease. Its adjustable design provides extra flexibility, making it perfect for cars, trucks, SUVs and even boats. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended cleaning sessions, reducing hand fatigue. Built for durability, this brush is made with high-quality materials designed to withstand repeated use and exposure to water and cleaning solutions. The price is reasonable, providing excellent value for a brush that offers professional-level results. Whether you are a DIY car wash enthusiast or a professional detailer, the Carand Car Wash Deep Brush is a must-have tool for your cleaning arsenal. Get yours today and enjoy a cleaner, shinier vehicle with less effort. Next up, at number 3, we introduce the Chemical Guy's Wheelie Brush, the ultimate solution for cleaning your car's wheels and rims. Designed with premium soft bristles, this brush provides a true yet gentle clean, making it ideal for all types of wheels finishes, including painted, powder-coated and chrome. The Wheelie brush's unique design features an extra long handle, allowing you to reach deep into wheel wells and behind spokes. Its compact head ensures access to tight spaces, while the soft bristles effectively remove brake dust, road grime, and other contaminants without scratching. Durability is a key aspect of the Chemical Guy's Wheelie brush. It's crafted from high-quality materials that resist wear and tear, ensuring it remains effective through multiple uses. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing strain during extended cleaning sessions. Despite its premium features, the Wheelie brush comes at an affordable price, offering exceptional value for a professional-grade cleaning tool. Whether you are a detailing enthusiast or just want to keep your wheels spotless, this brush is a perfect addition to your car cleaning kit. Upgrade your wheel cleaning game with the Chemical Guy's Wheelie Brush. Order yours today and experience a new level of clean. The number 4 position is held by Ordenado Car Wash Brush Kit, your complete solution for keeping your vehicle pristine. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need for a true car cleaning, featuring a premium car wash brush, a microfiber wash mitt, chenille sponge, and a telescoping handle for added reach. The car wash brush boasts soft bristles that are gentle on your car's paint while effectively removing dirt and grime. Its telescoping handle extends up to 60 inches, allowing you to reach high places like the roof and low areas like the undercarriage with ease. The ergonomic grip ensures a comfortable hold during long cleaning sessions. In addition to the brush, the kit includes a microfiber wash mitt and chenille sponge, perfect for scrubbing and wiping down surfaces without scratching. These tools are made with high-quality materials designed to withstand multiple uses, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. The Ordenado Car Wash Brush Kit offers excellent value for its price, making it an ideal choice for both car enthusiasts and casual vehicle owners. Whether you are washing a car, truck, SUV or RV, this kit has you covered. Get yours today and enjoy a sparkling clean vehicle with minimal effort. The number 5 position is dominated by Auto Detailing Brush Set, the ultimate toolkit for achieving a spotless showroom quality finish on your vehicle. This comprehensive set includes a variety of brushes designed for detailed cleaning, perfect for both interior and exterior use. Each brush is crafted with high-quality, soft bristles that are gentle on delicate surfaces but tough on dirt and grime. The set features multiple sizes, allowing you to clean everything from tight spaces in a dashboard and air vents to larger areas like wheels and engine compartments. The ergonomic handles offer a comfortable grip, making them easy to use for extended periods. Durability is a key feature of this brush set. Made with robust materials, these brushes are built to withstand regular use and exposure to cleaning chemicals. They maintain their shape and effectiveness over time, providing excellent value for money. Despite the premium quality, the auto detailing brush set comes at an affordable price, making it accessible to car enthusiasts and professional detailers alike. Whether you are looking to maintain your daily driver or prepare a car for a show, this set has everything you need. Order yours today and take your car cleaning to the next level. Next up at number 6 we have the Car Detailing Brush Set, your comprehensive solution for achieving a pristine detailed finish on your vehicle. This set includes a variety of brushes designed to clean every inch of your car from the interior to the exterior with precision and ease. Crafted with soft yet durable bristles, these brushes are gentle on your car surfaces, ensuring they won't scratch or damage even the most delicate finishes. The set contains multiple brush sizes, allowing you to tackle tight spaces like air vents, dashboards, and cup holders, as well as larger areas such as wheels, tires, and engine compartments. The ergonomic handles are designed for comfort, providing a secure grip during long detailing sessions. The Car Detailing Brush Set is built to last, with high-quality materials that withstands repeated use and exposure to cleaning chemicals. This durability makes it a cost-effective choice for car enthusiasts and professional detailers alike. Despite its premium features, this brush set is affordably priced, offering exceptional value for its versatility and quality. Whether you are maintaining a daily driver or preparing a car for a show, this set has got you covered. Order your Car Detailing Brush Set today and take your car's cleanliness to the next level. Last but certainly not least at number 7, we have discovered the ultimate solution for achieving a spotless, showroom-ready vehicle with our car detailing kit. This all-inclusive set provides everything you need to clean, polish and protect your car inside and out. The kit features a range of premium tools, including a car wash mitt, microfiber towels, applicator pads, and a selection of detailing brushes in various sizes. These brushes are crafted with soft yet durable bristles, ensuring they are gentle on delicate surfaces while effectively removing dirt, grime, and dust. The kit also includes a clay bar for removing embedded contaminants and a chemos for a streak-free finish. With an ergonomic design, these tools are comfortable to use even during long detailing sessions. The microfiber towels and applicator pads are machine washable, offering excellent durability and reusability. The entire kit is designed to withstand repeated use and exposure to cleaning chemicals, providing long-lasting performance and reliability. Despite its premium features, the Car Detailing Kit comes at an affordable price, offering exceptional value for your car enthusiast and professional detailers alike. Whether you are cleaning your daily driver and prepping a classic car for a show, this kit has got you covered. Order your Car Detailing Kit today and take your car's cleanliness to the next level. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you found our guide to the best car wash brushes helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more tips on car care and detailing. Got questions or suggestions for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.